Students will start with the sixth topic, performing art and art. Art begins where the word ends. Elements that can make a drama entertaining. Set. The setting or installation on the stage to show the place where the drama is happening and to make the sense more realistic, it is called the set of the drama. Costume and the dress. The costume of a character is decided after considering what the role is, the time period of the drama, threat of the character, genre of the play, etc. For example, if it is a historical drama, the costumes and the style should be according to the period suitable for it. The third one is a makeup. Just as the costume of a character is decided according to the part played in, the same way the makeup is also done. After considering the character, its age and the light on the stage, and to highlight the expression of the character, if an old person has to portray, then the hair can be colored white, grey white. Dark circle may be shown under the eyes with the help of charcoal. Light effects. Special light effects are used to draw the attention towards a portion of the stage to show a place or a particular incident. The light can either be hung on the top portion or on the side or at the lower side of the stage. For example, to portray night time, generally a blue light is used. A special person is appointed to control the light effect on the stage. Background music and scores. Many a time, music is used to enhance the effect of scene in the drama. Sometimes the music is played softly in the background of the dialogues, or it is played aloud with when there are no dialogues. For example, sounds of strong wind, sweeping of dry leaves can produce an effect to indicate a storm. Creativity in drama. Various aspects are normally taken into consideration when staging a drama. Where is the incident taking place? What period is the drama set? What time of the day it is? Factors of place, period and time are shown with the help of various things, but one must remember that place, period and time need not necessarily be shown in a drama. Many times the incident in the drama take place at different places. It is not possible to show all the plays authentically on the stage. Those imagination can be used to show some of them. Showing different period of time. Sometimes the incident in the drama take place during different period of time. Some are seen to be present period, some are in the flashback, some are set during the daytime and some during night time. Some take place one after the another. Some tricks can be shown used to show light. Here some of the examples are given here. How to show the dark performance, how to show in the dark light or in the daytime or in the night. These all examples are given to you. I hope you can read this point. Now, performing non-human character. Drama topics need not to be limited to only human story, but can include any incident which can be dramatized and has to be conflict. Some examples to enhance some non-human character can be followers given here. So you can read these all points are given. What the non-human characters, how the drama is created, how the stage show is done, and on what way the stage play is created. What all the things are required in that. This all is given in the page number 93. If you read that, you can understand what way it is. Of the director, the dialogue could really have been spoken between any two characters in any place at any time in different contexts. You decide the context and other details of the dialogues and perform them. In the same way, when a story is drama in a written form, then different staying a performance, someone has to interpret it. Decide on the emotion shadow to be brought about. Visualize how the scene could be played out. Decide on how the character behave, talk. Decide which scene should be shortened or changed, etc. This all is the work of the director who actually directs the play, we can say that. Now comparing, a person who coordinates an event on the stage or on TV, her job is to announce the next program in line for the audience to come. This task is called as comparing, and the person doing is called comparer. Comparing has now turned into a full-fledged profession. Now we will learn about the dance. Last year we studied how purposefully selected different movements are performed in a proper sequence and a rhythmic manner to express some emotion in the dance form. This year we shall study in detail some aspect of dance. Now, type of folk dance. there are different types of folk dance in India are performed in different states. Each and every state has a different folk dance, their own style of dance. Now just here, folk dance is a dance performed by specific person in group on specific occasion. Balia dance, first one just Balia dance or Jharkhandi dance. That is a region in Mumbai. It is mostly played in Konkan and the Mumbai region. Adivasi dance. There are many dance styles. Just I'm reading the heading so that you can understand how many type of dance, different dance styles are there in India. Adivasi dance, Tarapara dance, Dhangiri Gaja, Koli dance, Lezim. These all are the types of the dance that is performed in our India. Rhythmic movement in dance. There are three important elements in the Western dance are space, period, and energy. Space. While performing the rhythmic movement in the dance form, if the performer make appropriate use of the available space, it enhances the beauty of the performance. That means these are the three important elements we can say for the rhythmic movement in dance, that is space, period, and energy. Time. The speed of the movement, whether slow or fast or at a certain rhythm, enhance the beauty, uniqueness, and meaningfulness of the dance. Energy. The action or the body movement done with more energy or with less energy affect the beauty, uniqueness, and meaningfulness of the dance form. Already that means you should have understood that the three important elements of the rhythmic movement in dance are space, period, and energy. Space already I had explained. While performing we have to be in an appropriate place available. The time should be there, how much time we are performing our play or the dance we are doing, and the energy, the body movement, the energy we require to perform that dance should be there in our dance. Music. Now the important point to remember in the music are tune, vocal, instrumental use, rhythm, lyrics, or the word of the song. These are the 5 important points for a musician to know, and they have to implement this in their music. Indian musical instrument. There are the 4 types of Indian musical instrument. The first one, string instrument or cordophone. Sound is created with the help of string. They are called string instrument. They are further divided into 2 types, plug string or bowed string. Plug string. The strings are touched with a striker or with a finger to create sound. Example, veena, sitar, tanpura, sarod, etc. Bowed string. The strings are touched with a particular kind of rod to create a sound. Example, violin or sarangi. Conclus or aerophone instrument. The instruments that are played by the force of air or blow of air from the mouth are called aerophone instrument. Example, flute, harmonium, and sanai. Membrane foam instrument. The instruments that are leather membranes are included under this type. Example, tabla, murugun, dholak, damru. Idiophone or grand instrument. In this instrument, sounds are created by tapping on them. Example, jaltarang, jang, etc. These are the 4 Indian musical instruments. I hope all of you have understood these 4 points properly. Instrument according to the geographical region. India is a diverse country. Each state has its own culture. There is also folk music pertaining to each of the region of India. The musical instrument played in this folk song are very particular in nature. Example, Lavani played in Maharashtra, and dhalki is one of the most important musical instrument. In the sound Indian music tradition, mudrung or jhatan has a prominent place. Sarangi and alzo is a kind of flute prominently used in the Rajasthani music. So this it's about the diversity in India. There are different states. Already I had explained you the different states follow different music or different dance style they have. So this the instrument used by the different states are different. Here in this chapter we had learned the last point is about the song. In Indian classical music, song has been composed in different rag. In order to understand what make a good song, it is necessary to understand the ideology put forth by the musical experts from ancient time. So in this chapter we had studied about the art and the performing, whatever the culture, dance style, and the musician in what way the drama is created. This all are there in this chapter. That means, students, we had completed our portion of self development and art appreciation, and you have to just complete the notes and send to me. Is it clear? I hope all of you understood this chapter properly.